notice how good you're doing now.
Sinead, this is the best date I've ever had.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks
Actually,
for
it's
all
the only date I've ever had.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I knew by those text messages you were sending me.
Yeah. Thank you so much for coming here and performing today, and also having a chat. In a very exciting time for you, because obviously there's an album on the way. I'm sure you're sick of people talking about it.
Yes, I am. Yeah, I've been recording now for the last year and a bit, so I'm happy to get it out there. And I'm happy to move on and possibly write some new songs.
You don't understand, no, you don't get it, and your heart will break only if you let it.
What are you performing today?
I'm performing a song called Better.
Awesome.
It's the first song off my album, and I'm going to release a single in a few weeks. So this will be it.
Why know you know what it takes to love someone until your heart breaks, but I can't stay for your sake anymore.
When was the first song on the album kind of written?
I think about two years ago. So I started recording it sort of in my bedroom and then in a studio in Harold's Cross. Cool. So a lot of the songs have been recorded for a good while now, and then I slowly just added to that and took my time.
So when do you know when you're done? When do you know this is complete?
When someone is like shouting at you.
You need to stop.
Yeah.
I realized that I had to move on, but I can't go back to where we've come from. I cannot pretend there's love when I know it's all gone.
I'm just looking forward to getting it out there, and hopefully people are not sick of me and they like it. That would be
definitely,
great.
because it went down so well at Leixlip-based last year. Everybody was talking about you, and then of course you played Longitude as well.
Yeah.
So do you love the festivals? Are you looking forward to doing them again this year?
Yeah, I love the summer time. It's a great time to be a musician because you kind of, I don't know, you get to go out there and showcase what you're all about. And yeah, Leixlip was great. And I'm hoping to do it again this year. We'll see. It'll be great to actually have something physical to give to people. And
this is real, guys.
Until your heart breaks, but I can't stay for your sake anymore.
Thank you so much for having a chat, and can't wait to see it all across the summer, across the festival board.
Great, thank you.
Cheers.